Hi everyone at Learners and Leaders. I'm here between our two school buildings on the corner of Seneca Avenue and Stockholm Street, and I have a special message and request for you. Well, I came to look at the pothole and they said that they had fixed it, but it's still in pretty poor condition. Not as deep, but definitely bad. When this pothole was fixed, our crossing guard, Susanna, asked them to fill the one across the street, and the city workers told her that no, it was not their responsibility. Susanna, our crossing guard, said that she's tripped on that same pothole several times. Melissa De Palma has also fallen in the same pothole. Ben Santiago, our custodian, says that he drives over the pothole and it would slam into his car. Miss Graziano tripped on the same pothole as me. Kathleen Zomer told me that her power professional fell in the same pothole as me. I think we all deserve to return to school to a crosswalk that has been nicely repaired, painted, and no such accidents will happen again in the near future. You can email me at yasminakeller@gmail.com, text or call me at the number on the screen, and I really do hope to hear from you so that we can stay in touch and fix our streets.